name's Julianna, and I'm going to show you how to make a chemical change from carbon dioxide from a solid to a gas. So is what you're going to need. You're going to need a little extra bowl, and is what you're going to put into that little extra bowl. You're going to put bubble solution and dish soap. And is what you're going to soak it in until we start. You're going to soak it in a 1-inch rag until we start. And you're going to need gloves. Now my glove isn't as thick, so I'm going to double that glove when I put it on. And it has to be very thick work gloves. Sorry. Something stuck in my throat. And then with this big bowl, you're going to need this big bowl. And then you're going to need another bowl full of like warm water. And then you're going to need dry ice. So let's put on our gloves. Put on this one. We put on with your glove, going to get the dry ice and drop it in the big bowl. And then the bowl with warm water, you're going to fill up the big bowl. And then now you're going to get the bubble solution and dish soap. With it, you're going to get the cloth and you're just going to go like that. Create a form of a layer of a bubble. And you're going to keep doing that until you get a bubble. So now I have my bubble, and as you see, it's expanding and growing bigger because the gas and air inside it, it wants to blow up for that fog and stuff, and it can't because it's surrounded in a bubble, and that bubble is going to get bigger and bigger until it pops. Now don't worry, no water will come out or anything, just like air and fog will come out, and it looks pretty cool, so we're going to let it pop. And in England, they call it dry ice, but in England, they call it card ice. Don't know why, but it's probably just really, really cold ice. And my ice here that I'm using is 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So, it looks pretty cool. You don't want to pop it yourself because sometimes the gas won't come out right. I'm going to have my hands here when it pops. So I'm just going to let it get bigger and bigger. It's almost as big as my head. This is the biggest it's gotten after I did all my experience. Look at it. Oh, and it popped. Didn't that look cool? Okay, now that it's been popped, now we know that we changed a solid of carbon dioxide into a gas. Now we're going to change it into more gas. With your soap, your dish soap, you're going to open it and you're going to pour some in. And we're gonna just watch it as it grows bubbles. And this right here, you might need like a spoon to stir. Okay, now it's formed some different types of bubbles. Now watch when I blow these bubbles. Well, I didn't do it, but I can grab these bubbles with my hands and it turns into like thin air. See, if you watch real closely, these are bigger bubbles than usual. There, it did it. But if you look at those ones, well, actually that's fine. Sorry. But if you look at those ones, they're normal sink and foam bubbles. When I get deeper in down here, those ones are all big and it does that. And if it usually doesn't pop and turn into like smoke like that, and it just does that, then that's when you know you need to stir it to get those bigger bubbles in. And you want to get rid of the other ones. Just want to get rid of the other ones. You can get a scoop of water in it. Oop, look, I got the dry ice. See that? And that was pretty cool. Ouch. And it's just like really, really... I like how fun it is, and it's like really cool for Halloween. Now my ice is not totally dissolved yet, but once your dry ice is totally dissolved, you can get it. Let me get it. You can get it. See it? And you can put it in some lemonade or soda and you can drink it. But it has to be totally dissolved. Because if it's not, then bye-bye to you. I want to keep it going here with this. And that's pretty much the end of this video. And it's a really, really cool video. So I hope you can try it out for your science fair project, and I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.